Greetings, and today's recipe is pickles, refrigerator pickles. And of course, you need an organic cucumber. An English cucumber will be fine. Himalayan pink salt, just a pinch. Black peppercorn, apple cider vinegar, and your clean jars. Over here, we have our brine, which is included of onion, garlic, spring water, and apple cider vinegar. After it cools, it will go in to this clean jar full of cucumber slices. Now you can use spear if you like, but I'm going to choose the bread and butter style pickle, which are slices. Leave enough up top for the brine. So again, after it cools, we will place the brine over these cucumber slices, and we will then put it in the fridge. Simple, smart, budget-friendly, and yummy. Voila! Refrigerator pickles. Voila! Refrigerator pickles.